Hey folks, my name's Austin Perry. I'm here today at Valley RV Supercenter. Going to show you some bunk models going from travel trailers and fifth wheels, and actually we're going to throw in a motorhome as well. Starting here, we got our 15-foot J-Flight, 300-pound bunk capacity. Check it out. Here we have our Jayco J-Flight 174 BH. With a spacious bathroom. Here we have our 2023 Jayco J-Flight 184 BS. With the private bedroom. Here we have the Jayco J-Flight 224 BHW. Bigger bunks, bigger bathroom, bigger everything. Here we have our Jayco J-Flight 242 BHSW. With a spacious shower. Next up, we have the Jayco J-Flight 267 BHSW, everybody's favorite. With tons of storage. Here we have the Jayco J-Feather 27 BHV. With a second bathroom door entry to the bathroom. Here we have our Jayco Whitehawk 29 BH. With our separate gaming room. And a bath and a half. Here we have the Jayco Eagle 312 BHOK. With an awesome outdoor kitchen. Who's hungry? So after taking a look at some of the bunkhouse travel trailers, let's move on to the fifth wheels. Here we have the Jayco Eagle HT 29.5 BHDS. With a great timeout spot for the kids. Here we have the Jayco North Point 373 BHOK. With a sweet loft, and check out down below, half bath with a bunk room. Here we have the Jayco Pinnacle. It's a top of the line luxury fifth wheel, 37 MBQS. Awesome loft. Also with an awesome bunk room, also used as an office. Now last but not least, I wanted to show you guys our Class C Jayco Redhawk 31F. Whoa!